Hey, it's your coach Sean here. In today's video, I'm going to do the push-ups that you guys demanded that I do. If you don't know what I'm talking about, I'll go ahead and check the link in the description below. Pretty much it's referring to a previous video I did where I asked all the viewers that if they gave me a like, I will do 1 push-up. If they give me a comment, I will do 3 push-ups. So I got 10 likes and 10 comments, plus add another comment on another video, which totaled out to be 43 push-ups I have to do today. In this video, I'm not just going to show you the push-ups that I do, but I'm going to educate you and show you the best way to do them in order to maximize the benefits you would get from them. All right, let's get into how to effectively do the push-up here. All right, so starting off, you notice my body is straight. There's no sagging at the back or the hips. Of course, toes on the ground. My hands are underneath my shoulders. So my wrist, my elbows, and my shoulders are stacked when I'm all the way up. Some things to focus on when you're doing the push-up is when you're pushing up, make sure you squeeze your chest and you want to like squeeze your hands together. So if that surface, if it wasn't carpet, if it was completely smooth, my hands would be gliding together. Now, the chest is not the only muscle you should be focused on. You should also be making sure you're engaging your abdominals and making sure you are not having an anterior pelvic tilt. So pretty much what that means is when you have an anterior pelvic tilt, you have a large arc in your back. And that's pretty much what makes you sag and makes it so that you're not perfectly straight. And I'll show you what I'm talking about after these push-ups. I'll kind of give you a visual on it, what it looks like to have an anterior pelvic tilt. And then the other muscle group you should be focused on squeezing are your quads. So that front part of your leg above your knee and below your waist. So when doing the push-up, just make sure you're not just passively doing it and you're actively squeezing these muscles. And this is the anterior pelvic tilt I was talking about. Notice how I have a large arc in my back and my butt is kind of sticking out. And then as you can see here, I use my abdominals to tuck my butt and my hips back inward, making my back straight so there's no curve in my lower back. And that's how you do the push-up to maximize the results you would get from them. Now, if you learned something from this video, let's get a rep on that like button, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to fitness or if you've only been working out for less than a year, make sure you subscribe to this channel. Every week, I'm going to be coming out with a new video that will help you achieve your fitness goals.